Number 1. Decibel Defense Safety Earmuffs. Need top-notch hearing protection? Decibel Defense's safety earmuffs are the gold standard. These over-the-ear protectors score high with a remarkable 34 decibel rating from OSHA and an even more impressive 37 decibel certification from ANSI. What sets Decibel Defense apart is the comfort. 6 individual pads on the headband ensure ample airflow, preventing any uncomfortable sweat buildup. During testing, these earmuffs didn't squeeze excessively, making them pleasant for extended wear. The thick foam padding seals around the ears, blocking out noises effectively. Adjusting to your perfect fit is a breeze with the telescoping arms. No more fiddling to get the right size. These earmuffs adjust effortlessly. The steel wires attaching the muffs to the headband feel robust, a cut above other models we've tried. You can tell these were engineered with quality in mind. My favorite feature? They rest comfortably on your neck when not in use without creating any awkward discomfort. Pure genius. One minor hiccup, the foam padding inside one muff was misaligned. Slightly annoying, but easy to fix. Reinstalling it took just a few minutes, and then it was good to go. Decibel Defense safety earmuffs stand head and shoulders above other hearing protectors. If you prioritize comfort without compromising on protection, these deserve a place